Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be answering some questions regarding my lock journey. December is about to make them 2 years and I'm so excited, but I did make a video regarding the 6-month wait that I did before I retired. I did my first retire. So why? Let me get into it.
Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more.
When I first did my hair, I started with two strands twist, and I didn't like the process because each time I would touch my hair every morning, I have to like kind of retwist it back, and it was tedious, to be honest. Like, I did not want to keep doing my hair all the time, so I decided to put them into braids. I did braids for 3 months, which I regretted because it started to give my hair length, and I didn't like that at all. Even when I took them off, I washed my hair and it was just coming off. So I decided, you know what, I'm not going to touch my hair for 6 months until they get themselves together because that was tiring. So I did that, which I kind of, it's like both ways. I did regret and not regret at the same time. So let's look at how my hair actually looked for that 6 months. As you can see now, from here to now, it's huge difference. They do need retying right now, but I'm going to wait until December. That way I can do the 2-year update of my hair. First comment, which is under my 1-year update, it says, "You did an awesome job. Do you do a 2-point rotation? Looking forward to seeing your progress. Why did you wait so long between retightening? Do you shampoo in the beginning? How long before your first shampoo?" So it's a couple questions. Thank you for these questions, Robin Natural 1. So yes, I do 2-point rotation, but I mix it up sometimes. So sometimes I'll do like 3 or 4, just because I don't want my hair to be like in one direction all the time. But I do usually go to 2-point rotation, and it's so much easier because that way, you know, I don't, if I skip a bit, like I feel like I'm missing something, or I'm going to the same direction twice, then I would go to the opposite direction just so I could be safe. Second one, why did I wait so long for retightening? Again, like I said in the beginning of the video, every time I would touch my hair, they would start coming off. So they didn't mature yet, they weren't staying together. So I was tired of that and decided, you know, I'm not going to touch it for the next 6 months. So it was so much easier for me to do, because every time, like, I didn't like my hair, I wasn't used to my hair being messy. So when the twists were coming off, it was very annoying to me, and it was either I waited that long or I take them off, because I wasn't doing that. So yeah, so that's why I waited so long. Do you shampoo in the beginning? I do soak my hair and shampoo. Sometimes I soak my hair in baking soda and vinegar. That way, you know, all the lengths come off, and dirty water and all that. There's always dirty water in my hair when I do that. It just feels so much satisfying to do. And how long did I wait for my first shampoo? Literally a month, because after I did my hair, I redid my hair in December, and then I waited a month so I could retwist it. So before I tried to retwist it, I did wash it first, and then that's when I noticed that it kept coming off, and then I decided to put them under braids, which I regretted. So after I took them under the braids, after 3 months, I washed it again, and then after that, I only wash it like once a month, because my hair, I know my hair is dirty when I start scratching, and I do have dandruffs. So I do have those if I don't wash my hair. So I would wash it like once a month or twice a month. That works for me. That's what helped me. So that's what I do. Because I was inactive for so long, I didn't notice I had so many views and comments under it, so I was answering like super late. So that's why I decided to also make that video. That way, you know, even if I answered, I will still tag you in that video. That way you can see it as well. But one comment says, thank you so much for sharing. I'll wait like 6 weeks and still never have clean parts like yours. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Like, my parts I've been obsessed with my parts, to be honest, because they're not the cleanest. They're not how I want them to be. So whenever I'm doing my hair, like, I have to keep going because they're not. But now I'm loosening up about it. I don't care so much about my parts anymore. Like, I still try to do my best, but I'm not obsessed anymore with it. But thank you so much. It was definitely something, because I had to make sure there was like a huge difference between that 6 months and after I did my hair. Sailor Luna says, my locks look like that after 2 months. I can't imagine waiting that long. I know your head was sore after all that. Beautiful locks and beautiful retie. Thank you so much. Yes, my hair was sore because the needle, I kept going back and forth, and then I actually ended up doing them a bit too tight. So that's something I had to keep in mind whenever I'm doing retying. I don't do it as tight anymore, because then they started to look like, you know, a little too loose and underneath. But that's fixed now, because most of them, they look kind of like pretty you know, even now, but the top is still looking like this, a bit too like chunky. But yes, I did keep that in mind for next time. But that's good. So that if your hair looks like this after 2 months, that means they're growing. So amazing, good job. They're growing a lot. So I did say I was never going to, I did say in my video I'm only going to do them every month. I did lie. I do them now every 2 or 3 months, because the last retie I did was in September, October, November. So it's been 2 months, and I'm waiting for December to do it, so that's gonna be 3 months. D Chapman did say, hey sis, I have missed this, but why did you wait 6 months before retightening your hair? Great job on refreshing it though. They look beautiful. Thank you so much. I did answer the question, so I'm going to tag this video under your comment as well. But under her comment though, there was another person that asked, did you also wait 6 months to wash them? No, I did not, because if I did, my hair would literally look chunky trash. Like, that's how they would look right now if I did that. So I didn't want to do that, because let me tell you, I do like my hair. I was just tired of them, you know. So I probably would have lost more hair if I wasn't washing them. Whenever I do it, I just wash it and then carefully rip them apart. That's why they didn't look too bad after the 6 months. Linda Anton LC said, your crown looks beautiful, queen, but don't wait 6 months, maybe 3 months, queen. Yes, thank you so much. But that is what I do now. I have taken advice. So I don't wait 6 months anymore. Like I said earlier, you told me I only do it like every 2 to 3 months, depending on how it looks, because every month it looks different. Microlocs Life 378 asks, did you lose locks by waiting that much? No, although I answered these questions before, but no, I didn't lose locks, but I did lose half of 2. Now these locks are fully grown, so you can still see the difference. So that was one of it. As you can see, this is how it looked when I first lost it, and that was one of it. But comparing to a normal size lock, this is the difference. That's the difference between the two of them. So this is the other one that I lost, what, half of, not lost, and then this is it comparing to a normal size lock. So I don't mind it. I think it grew very beautifully and fully locked as well. but you know, that was all the mishap. I'm gonna show you how my hair looks now. As you can see, my hair do needs a retie, and I'm excited for that because my hair takes so much less time to do now. I can literally do it in one sitting because my partings are good. All I gotta do is just clean up a little. Let me tell you, I don't put any products on them, so I would just put oil. So that is so much. I don't have to deal with residue and all that, and which is something that I'm glad on my last video, the 6-month video, I didn't have any product residue in my hair. All I put was natural oil in my hair, which is so much better because when I wash it, it comes off. When I'm done washing it, I put it on. So that's amazing. But this is it for the video. I hope I answered all questions. If you do have any questions, please comment them below because I would love to answer them. So if you do have any questions, please comment them below and I would love to answer them on my next lock update video. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep up with my lock journey because like I'm loving this. I am loving this. So if you've been thinking of it, get it done. Like, get it done. If you have, do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Like, it just, do you see this? It's amazing. Okay, so get you one of those. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.